The HVAC Fundamentals application consists of 15 different HVAC modules, which have several learning elements in the form of text, technical simulations, and 3D images to support the learning process to be more interactive and effective. Within each module, the learning elements consist of background theory for that particular module, description of parts in 3D, technical simulations, and when the user is ready, there are formative assessments at the end of each module that can be completed. The Labtech HVAC Fundamentals is the first set in a series of courses that will take the student on a learning journey to understand the basics of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. It is aimed at building the knowledge that students will need to develop employability skills. By creating an immersed learning experience, the HVAC Fundamentals application by Labtech on the zSpace platform helps better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce. For more information, please visit zspace.com.